Okay, hi guys. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I'd like you to put together your 9 squares of patterns onto your canvas. So first of all, you need to open up Photoshop, go File, New, and we're going to create a canvas that is 300. Go to Print first. We're going to go to 300 millimeters. Whoops. Do that again. 300 by 300 millimeters. Okay, and press Create. So there's my canvas. Okay, now I'm going to open up the file, open, and I'm going to find one of my textures that I'm going to put in there. So I'm going to go to, where's my file? Here we go down to here, where is it? Getting there, here we go. It always helps if I just go to here to change the large icon so I can see what I'm doing. I'm going to go with this one first. There's one of my textures. Okay, oops, delete. Just close that one. Sorry, go File, Open. Go back again. I'm going to choose a different texture. Sorry. I'm going to go with the tire. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to crop that. I don't want that shadow in there. So I'm going to go to the crop tool. Now I'm going to go to ratio. I'm going to go square. I'm going to so that stays as a square, just pull that across and just fit that to the texture how I want to. Okay. There we go. I want that, and I'm going to press enter. Okay, there's one of my textures. Now I'm going to go image size, and change the resolution to 300, and I'm going to make the width 100 millimeters. Sorry, do that again. 100 millimeters. Press OK. Okay, so now that's resized. I'm going to then, or basically, I can save that, or I can just go straight to my canvas now, my 300 millimeter canvas, and just drag them across, and that should fit perfectly into that square there. I'll do it one more time. So I'm going to go File, Open. I'm going to choose another texture. Maybe I'll go with this one here, the cracks in the street. I'm going to go to my crop tool. I'm going to go square. Let's just make that a bit bigger. I crop it into the texture 101. Okay. Okay. Then now I'm going to go image size. I'm going to resize it again. So go to 300 dots per inch because that's points per inch because that's what I've got on my canvas. 300 points per inch. Now I'm going to go to millimeters. I'm going to change it to 100. Press OK. And I've resized that. Now I can just simply drag that across into my canvas there like that. Okay, and I keep doing that. And then the next step is to start to move it around and get it into position where you're getting some nice contrast happening between each square. Okay, you can also go to Control T and transform them by pressing just like Control T and dragging around, holding down Shift to get the nice 45 degree angle. Okay, so you can move it around that way too. When you're happy, press Enter. And that concludes my short tutorial on that section of the project.